What's up, y'all? Legacy 4x4 here, back again. This time we got the third exhaust installment. I got shorty headers. They fit, you know, it's just what we gotta do. I got them getting ready to get high heat painted, or getting high heat painted right now. And I got some more exhaust stuff. I just got a few more bins in the pipe. So what I didn't show you guys last time is I bedlined the bottom trim, bedlined the front and the rear bumper. So yeah, so that got done. I didn't record it just because it was late at night. I really didn't feel like it. I'm gonna get to preparing these headers to get installed, and then I'm gonna build it as I go with the headers already installed in the Jeep. I think that's gonna be the easiest way to do it. Not taking it out, taking it in like 100 times. So I'm gonna get to doing that, and I'll be back. Got the driver's side in, the side that's tight. Fits by about 1 inch with the steering shaft, or steering column. Everything's in. Go underneath it with these new fancy pipes that are like, I mean, it was like $50 for these 2 bins, but the bins theoretically put it to the outside of the frame, or put the exhaust going to the outside of the frame. So let's give her a little look-ski. And I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Exhaust will go up here. And it will shoot out towards the outside of the frame, and I can make that bend, and we can go right back to having side pipes. All right, right now I got the old side pipes sitting on their one hanger that I made. Here's how it's looking so far. Got the headers coming down into an actual flange that I'll weld up, going into the drop pipe. Right now, I'm gonna take this old side pipe, I think, weld on a hanger, so it hangs on that first ledge right there, you know, the one closest to the front. Lop it off right about where my thumb is, make that bend, and I'll weld it, and I'll weld it together when it's on the truck. That way it's, you know, perfectly accurate. As per usual, I'm wasting it. I'm racing. It's nighttime because packages get here like 7:30. I got my first 3 bins marked, so I'm gonna weld those together, see how they fit, cut the side pipe, and then weld the side pipe onto it while it's on the car. All right, first bend is made. You know, welds are ugly, but they're there, and that's what counts. I think they're airtight enough. Little race against the clock action. I just got done tacking in the driver's side. I gotta finish weld it and cover up a pretty big gap that I'm gonna have to lay a pipe over. All right, it's the morning. I just finished welding the whole driver's side of the exhaust system. Take a close look real quick. Oh, very similar to the old one this time. It hugs the frame a lot closer. Yeah, don't mind that little cover piece. I didn't feel like pie cutting pipe, so it's also getting wrapped. So, you know, fuck it. No one's gonna know that it's there besides you guys, so don't tell anyone. But yeah, that's how she's gonna go. Like I said, it hugs a lot closer to the frame, more clearance. And shorty headers are in. So that one's all good. Just has to get wrapped. I'm gonna finish the other side, start wrapping, and I'll catch you guys when I'm done. Whew. All right, had to shorten the hanger on the passenger side because it didn't want to fit properly, but and about 9 fucking different bends and cuts later, we're looking good. I'm just gonna even up all those pipes, weld them together, and then we'll get to wrapping it, and then we should be done with the exhaust for the 3rd time. Here's how we're looking. Headers on both the insides, done. Coming down into the wheel welds, but it's right in the corner of the rear weld, so the tires aren't gonna hit, I don't think. We'll see.